to our channel, my partner Adam and I and our dog Twyla have been travelling around Australia for the last 3 years. We mostly travel in our converted Ford Transit camper van and occasionally take our Suzuki Jimny out tent camping, and we don't even mind doing a few Airbnbs in between, large and small. So for everything camp cooking, paid and free camping locations, camping tips and tricks, and the good old country bakery, you've come to the right place. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe and come travel Australia one town at a time. Now you know who we are, let's get back to the episode. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm King Dino, and on this episode we'll be taking you to 4 different pubs that you can camp at for the price of a meal. That's right, you heard me right. Right out the back and then walk around the front, grab yourself a meal. They're awesome pubs. So we'll take you to 4 in Victoria. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe, tell your friends about us, and I hope you enjoy this episode. Being greeted by the pub dog, don't know its name, and but we've got to run into the back and get Twyla fed before you head into the pub. If you're looking for a good night out, this pub's got you covered. From their delicious menu, their live music, fantastic customer service, you're not going to be disappointed. When you go get a beer, make sure to drop a few coins down to the old skeleton to raise money for the Children's Hospital. And if the bugs are biting, grab yourself some complimentary bug spray. So we ordered ahead of time, thank God, because the kitchen is now closed. But we got our meals, they're amazing. It's very loud, there's music going on, there's a band. It's absolutely beautiful. Check this out under here, it's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, we've got the old Parma, look how big this is, it's huge. And then Adam, what you get? Oh, I've got a burger and chips. Look at that. Wonderful. All right, we're up. We had a really nice sleep here, and Adam did notice there was a coffee van out the front, but I don't think it's open. We're going to go check out, see if it is open. All my dreams have come true. I got my coffee. We didn't ever have to leave the pub. They've got this here. It opens for 2 hours every day.
More than that.
More than that?
Depending on the day. It's
depending.
2 to 4 hours, 2 to 3 hours each day, except Sundays.
Yeah, so you can get up in the morning, have your coffee, and you're done. So we got a park. Now we're getting entertained by the local kids playing on the piano. We're just having a quick beer because the kitchen's closed because we got here and it's after 8. But that's all right. We're having a beer to support the locals, and then we're going to head in our van, cook up some dinner. We've got something really nice. I want to show you what we're going to cook tonight, and then we'll come back here tomorrow night for a meal.
So I've had a chat with Dave. He's the bar or the pub owner, and he's allowed us to bring Twyla in. So it is a kind of a pet-friendly space, just the front of the bistro area. As long as your dog's well behaved, then you can bring your dog in. But yeah, so she's obviously Twyla's with us, just sitting, behaving well.
Yep, down there. Hello, baby girl.
Yeah, just stays being outside when it's cold.
Yeah.
We've got some guys in shorts. I don't know how they're doing it.
Oh, I'm in shorts. Look. Join the club. Oh, actually, before we head off, I'll show you where we parked last night and where our pretty much where we're staying. So now it looks like we're in someone's backyard, and we kind of are, technically. But the ground is really straight, and we had all this to pick from. So you could, anywhere here or over here. There was a guy when we pulled up just over there. He had his tent out. I got a feeling he was on a bike. He was actually riding a bike. And then, yeah, there's a pub over there. So it's just a hop, skip and jump tonight for dinner. And yeah, they've got a really nice beer garden out there. So we're hoping to get into that tonight. So we're back now. We've changed positions.
Well, we are back, but after a day in town, we're now going to head back to the pub and have a meal.
Yes, mealtime. But yeah, we've changed positions. So we were over there before, but we thought we liked this because last night when we got out of the van, the grass is a bit longer over there. And it's just easier for Twyla to go to the toilet on the shorter grass. So it's all short around here. So that's our position tonight. And now let's go order dinner. So we're just gonna head into the garden to eat tonight. So we're heading out here. How nice is this? So this is in the back of the pub. And I thought rather than sit out the front, we'd come in this nice shady area. It looks so beautiful. And I'm gonna order some dinner. We're the first ones here. The kitchen literally just opened. Also have indoors, which has plenty of seating. It's quite nice in here. And you've got your air conditioning too, which is always nice. But like I was saying before, we're going out the back. So to go with the theme of this whole weekend away, I've just noticed on the bottom of the menu, they've got Scotty's beef sausages as a bangers and mash. Now, this is the butchers everyone's been raving about here. So I'm taking one for the team, which I'm sure it's going to be fine. You're not having this, are you?
No.
No. And I'm going to take one for...
I don't think I've ever ordered sausages from a restaurant or
really?
A bar or a pub.
Well, they're saying these are the best. This guy is meant to be... People come from miles around to buy his meat from his butchers. So I'm going to go this. And I'm going to try some of their cheesy garlic bread because that's all we can smell in the air at the moment. Hey, I think they're tricking us to make us buy it. And then what are you getting, Adam?
I'm going to get the chicken linguine.
Chicken linguine, yum. Well, we're definitely not disappointed. The garlic bread's just come out and it looks absolutely amazing. This is what all the locals have been talking about. I'm going to give these sausages a go and I'll let you know what I think. Yours looks absolutely delicious, Adam.
It is.
Wow, it looks so good. The sausages were definitely the right pick. I'm giving them the thumbs up. That was amazing. Adam loves his pasta. We've had a couple of wines and now it is time to go for a walk. Twyla, we thought we might walk around the block. It's just such a nice night, so we may as well enjoy it. After a beautiful dinner and a walk, we're back in the van watching the sun go down. Twyla is fast asleep. She's had a big day. We might pop the TV on now and settle in for the night. We have just arrived and got a spot for the night in Yea behind the pub. There's a pub. Here we are. Now, I'll tell you the name of the pub in a minute because I've totally forgotten and how terrible am I. But how nice is it that they let you camp here for free overnight as long as you get a spot. And all these other people are here as well, camping for the night. And literally, like I was saying, this little driveway will take us to the front to the pub to get something to eat, have dinner, and then we'll walk the town and then come back and sleep here the night. So we've managed to get really good seats outside and there is that many dogs here. Twyla is having an absolute ball. Check out this. You've got a beautiful canopy of green over the top this gorgeous tree in the back, and we're literally camping just over there. Can you believe it? We've just ordered some. I've got some ribs coming, and Adam has ordered a hamburger. I made sure the hamburger is cooked properly because he doesn't like to see any blood, no mooing. But yeah, so we've ordered dinner. We're sitting out here. It's a beautiful night. I can't believe it. Our luck we got the camping spot for free, and we got a table here. Anyway, now go and enjoy. Cheers. So we're settled in for the night, and it's been fantastic. No noise, it's been quite quiet here, and besides our TV going. And I'm going to take Twyla out to go to the bathroom, but I was just looking out the window. We've got these guys over here. They've got a little pop-up. How cute's that? Let me see if I can zoom in. But yeah, how cute's that? And they had a little tent on the back last night. These guys have got a trailer with a camping tent on top, and then we've got a full van set up. So all different varieties of people staying at this site behind the pub. So looks like anyone can come down as long as you're self-contained, really. Anyway, Twyla, let's go to the bathroom. Come on. So Twyla has gone to the bathroom, so that's good. I've just come to fill up some water behind the pub. So I'm actually in the garden right now where we ate last night. Now this is the back part of the garden, so you can get seats out here. And this tree, I'll tell you, I showed you last night, it's so gorgeous. And obviously that's where we sat last night. This is a bit brighter now. But yeah, so that's where we sat. So I'm just gonna walk through here. And basically, like I said, caravan's back there. Well, not caravan, our camper van. And I'm going to go get us a coffee because we're about to head off to Bonnie Doon, of all places. Remember the movie The Castle? Yes, The Castle. And they had a holiday house in Bonnie Doon. So I saw it on the map and I thought, I've got to go see this. So we're going to go to Bonnie Doon next, and then we're going to head off somewhere else, which I'll tell you about in a second. Anyway, look at this place. It's so gorgeous. I love this vine. I wish I had one of these in my backyard.
We're in the small town of Reddersdale, which is not far from Bendigo.
Now, we're not actually doing technically an episode on this town. We don't know where this episode is going to take us, but we're here staying the night. Technically, we're meant to be staying behind the pub, but that's where we're having dinner. But the lady from the pub said, hey, just go across the road. A lot of people just stay there. There's actually toilets here, and they're open all night, so that is handy. It's not on the Wiki app as a free camp on this side, but behind the pub I think is. So but anyway, we're here. We're going to go across for dinner. So that's the main street, and the pub's across the road there. And then it's got this bit of art here. How cool is that? There's a kids playground, a tennis court. Alright, looks like we're the only ones in the beer garden tonight. And Laura's just saying that she thinks that that's where you can camp if you're staying behind the pub. But yeah, no, it's a nice area. We thought it would be a lot busier, so we had our table reserved, as you can see. But no, it wasn't. It's not quite busy at all. So we've moved away from the beer garden. We've swapped seats. We've come over here to this table. Well, we've joined two tables because Adam was a bit worried about the bull ants. And Twyla.
You want to do the vet bill?
Yeah, no, I don't want a vet bill. But anyway, we've got a nice view of the street. And
It's nice.
we're going to have a look at the menu. Yeah, it is nice. It's
The
very nice.
vine
The
and-
vines, yes. So I'll just run it over the menu if you want to check it out, if you do want to come here. The prices and what
Do they do
they've got.
desserts?
Oh, of course you're looking for desserts.
Oh,
Trust
dude,
Adam
we
straight away.
sticky
Desserts.
pudding.
Chocolate mousse. Desserts. Yes, yes. What's on the other side? Is there more? Oh, here we go. And we've got this as well. Now, if you're wondering what the hotel where we are at is called, because I don't think I've even said it, it's a Redisdale Hotel. Pretty simple. And just picked up a glass of wine, and it's actually quite nice. A nice Chardonnay. You say? Not a glass? Yeah. No, sorry. We got a bottle. All right. Well, you know, we haven't had a bottle for a while. So, Laura, what did you end up going?
The chicken schnitzel.
Chicken. Oh, looks good.
Yeah,
Looks good. Chicken schnitzel. Rob?
Porterhouse steak with mushroom sauce.
Oh, yes. And how'd you have it?
Medium rare, same as you.
Same as me. And then, Adam, what have you gone and done?
I've got the half serve. Or the
You're
kids
unbelievable. You
serve.
said you were hungry.
Yeah, I'm getting dessert.
But it is a pretty good idea. So this is a half serve. Look how massive. Imagine this is a full serve. It'd be huge. And Adam's gone to ask for some sauce to go on the side of it. And then I've got my pepper sauce with a medium rare porterhouse. And look how amazing that looks. Whew. Right, so what do you get, Adam? You got a dessert. And, oh, it does look good.
That's actually that's really good as
And
well.
then, Laura, what did you get?
Sticky date pudding.
Oh, that looks great. And you're having that all to yourself, yeah?
Oh, sharing it.
I might get a little bite.
A little bite.
Yeah. Release myself.
Well, enjoy, guys.
Do you want some?
No. I've got my dessert. And that's all I'm having. Everyone loved their meals, so we're giving it the big King Dino's thumbs up. We really enjoyed it, didn't we, guys? Loved it? Yes. So, yeah, loved it. And so definitely, if you're in town, check these guys out. Like I said, they were happy for us to camp in the back. But we're really liking where we are across the road. Walking back, that's the toilets there. And then we are down this way. The sunset is absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually carrying Twyla because there was a very big German Shepherd over there's having a bit of a Christmas party over here. And was off the lead, so a little bit worried. But we should be right. How gorgeous is this? It looks so stunning. We're just coming down to the front of where we stayed last night, where the toilets are. So that's here. And there's a lot of people pulled over because they've got a coffee van. Woody's Coffee. So we're going to go over and have something to drink. What do you get, Adam?
Get some
Powerade.
electrolyte. Get some
I got a
electrolytes
blue
in
one.
because it's warm today.
It is hot. Bloody hot. And what are you guys getting?
Oh, maybe I'll get an iced coffee.
Iced coffee?
I don't think I've
And you're getting a hot coffee.
Iced coffee.
Yeah. Right, so Sam's making the coffees today. So Sam's here every day except for Tuesday. Is that right, Sam?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Awesome. And she whips up a really good coffee, Rob reckons. And he's a Mr. Coffee lover. So, good job. Good job. I really love this logo. How cute is it? This little coffee cup with a chainsaw. Now I understand why it's called Woody's. Well, guys, that's it for this episode. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do go like and subscribe and tell your friends about us. And guys, please leave a comment down there. We answer back to everybody. So get down there if you've got any questions. We can answer them. And until next Sunday, we will see you then. Thanks, guys.